Welcome to the walkthrough video tour of this home in Conroe, Texas. It was built in 2015, and boy is it striking. A 3-car garage, 2 stories, a huge yard. It's in a great neighborhood. With so much curb appeal and those windows and landscaping, plenty of parking in that long driveway. This is an amazing 5 to 6 bedroom, 4.5 bathroom home with a dining room and gorgeous chandelier. Plantation shutters on the windows and crown moldings with the formals up front. This 4,664 square foot home is extremely inviting. It's on an oversized lakefront cul-de-sac lot with amazing water views from almost every room. Here's one of the half bathrooms. There are so many more bathrooms in this home. This is a great room. You can easily use it as another bedroom or study. Here's another alternate room that can be a home office with custom built-ins and shelves and a custom-built desk. It really is perfect. There's high ceilings and crown moldings, large picture windows, plantation shutters, and this gorgeous wood beam ceiling in the family room with a fireplace only enriches this beautiful ambiance. There's a gorgeous island kitchen with double ovens and a butler's pantry. The refrigerator, washer, and dryer stays with the property. Undermount lighting and beautiful tile work, crown moldings. Some of these cabinets are even glass front. With the stainless steel appliances and all the storage, you're going to absolutely love this common area. With pendant lighting and this amazing breakfast nook, look at that view that you can enjoy every day and night. The master is gorgeous. Look at all this space, from the ceilings to all the amazing room, the plush carpeting. It has everything. With a large soaking tub, separate vanities, beautiful detail. You don't want to miss the chance to own this home. This is a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom with another half-bathroom home. Gorgeous bedrooms on the upstairs level and a big family game room and a sweeping spiral staircase. With wrought iron spindling and a wooden banister, it's beautiful everywhere in this home. Enough rooms for everyone to truly enjoy staying here. This home is in Harper's Preserve, minutes from I-45, has lots of amenities. The Woodlands is not far away either. Shopping and dining at Market Street and Hughes Landing is very close by. Enjoy each and every gorgeous room in this home that has been so beautifully kept. More entertaining opportunities from the media room to all these gorgeous spaces. Even a loft right above the media room. The kids are going to love it here. You can even walk to the elementary school and the new H-E-B at the front of the neighborhood. What a great backyard. An in-ground pool with a hot tub, landscaping, and lots of privacy. The extended flagstone patio gives you lots of room to entertain. Make this Conroe, Texas home the next one you and your family call your own.